Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Science Form 1 on Chapter 6, Periodic Table, Subtopic 6.2, Mixtures. Okay, mixture is a substance that consists of two or more elements or compound mixed physically. So since it mixed physically, so mixture can be separated physically. Example of mixture is cocktail, maybe that are made from a combination of solid and liquid. There are so many mixture around us. Okay, the separation method depends on physical properties of the substances present in the mixture and the substance to be obtained from the mixture. Okay, so these are methods of separation of mixture. Filtration, distillation, separation using magnet, sedimentation, flotation, chromatography, and sieving. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, this one is filtration. Filtration is a method used to separate an insoluble solid from a mixture of solid and liquid. Okay, for example, we have here mixture of sand and water. We know that sand is insoluble in water. So we can separate sand and water by using filtration method. So here we will obtain the filtrate here. The filtrate is water, and this one is residue. Why with using filter funnel. Okay, distillation is the method used to separate a completely miscible liquid-liquid mixture. Completely miscible means all liquids are very soluble that have different boiling points. So, for example, here we have a mixture of water and alcohol. So the mixture is put in a round bottom flask. This is how round bottom flask. And then this round bottom flask is connected to Liebig condenser. Okay. So Liebig condenser is function to condense the gas. Okay. So when water and alcohol is heated, the alcohol will boil first because the boiling point of alcohol, let's say for example ethanol, is 78 degrees Celsius. So when we heat the mixture, the alcohol at 78 will boil. So something will boil, which is alcohol at 78 degrees Celsius, and then the gas, boiling process is change from liquid to gas. So the gas will flow into the Liebig condenser. So the Liebig condenser will condense the gas. Condense means from gas to convert to liquid, and then we can collect the liquid here inside a beaker. Okay, so the liquid here is alcohol. Okay, so the water will remain in the round bottom flask. Okay, next is separation using magnet. If you hold magnet close to a box of iron nail mixed with sand, the iron nail are metals and magnetic substance, so the iron nail will attracted to the magnet. But sand is not a magnetic substance, therefore the sand will remain inside the box. Okay, so magnetic attraction can be used to separate two solid mixtures which one of the substance is magnetic, means can attract to magnet, and the other one is not. So what are the material that magnetic substance? Example of magnetic metals are iron, nickel, and cobalt. Non-magnetic metals, example gold, bronze, and aluminium. So like this one, in this petri dish, we have mixture of iron and sulfur powder. So iron is magnetic substance. It will attract to magnet. So by using magnet, we can separate mixture of iron and sulfur. Okay, sedimentation method. Sedimentation method is used to separate a liquid and insoluble solid mixture. Okay, so for example here we have a mixture of water and sand. Even if you stir the mixture is not the sand is not dissolved in water, so you can separate by using sedimentation. The sand will sedimented on the bottom of the beaker. After a while, after you stir, you leave the mixture for a while, then sediment will form. Sediment is sand. So sand, then you pour water into another beaker. You got the water and the sand remains in this beaker. Okay, this is called sedimentation. Okay, flotation method. This method can be used to separate soluble and insoluble materials in water. For example, if you have a mixture of oil and water here. Okay, we know that oil has lower density than water. So therefore, oil will float. Oil will float on the surface of water. So this is separating funnel. So this separating funnel can be used to separate the oil and water. When you put mixture of oil and water into separating funnel, then you leave for a while. Then when you open the tap, the water will go out first. Water will flow into the beaker, and then when all the water have flow, okay, then you stop the separating funnel. Leave the oil inside the separating funnel. Okay, separation methods like filtration and distillation need a large amount of mixture. But if the amount of mixture is small amount, so we can use chromatography method. Okay, this is chromatography. We use a filter paper, and then we put inside a beaker contain water, and then the mixture is dropped on the paper. Okay, then after a while, the mixture will spread. You will see the different color here. Means maybe this color is a mixture of a few different colors, so it will spread on the filter paper. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.